nu nọ ya in hu rong nè nu nọ râu thì cụ tự nhiên râu rồi chỉ sổ rồi nâng lên tới bây giờ này chỉ bây rong xia ở tờ bây cụ chỉ ngồi nhà đã chỉ có tàu thì rong xia thấy ở tụi mình nhỏ nó lúc nâng cả một cả cái cam nó đủ phong tòn gì nữa.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you.
Hi, George, Shiney, this is cool. You know, I've always been a day one with you guys, and I just want to say congratulations. This is a big step for you guys, and I'm glad to be a part of this amazing thing. And I wish nothing but health and wealth to you guys for many, many years to come, man. And I hope I see a mini George or a mini Shiney. Love you guys.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms.
Atau tu saja tu mana, mana kau si lo kau si lu masa nu kerja.
Thì bữa đó chị là một câu nữa, một chế chúng tôi trong sư có sư lu, thì sư chọn cái.
You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Hi, Shiney and Val. We're very happy that you guys got married today, and we've been waiting a long time, so enjoy your life together and love each other for life.
Yeah, Shiney, I'm really happy that this day came for you and we got to celebrate it with you and George. And we're really happy that we have a Vo in our family now, and so we can't wait to be kind of grandparents with your parents. And Shishi Luo.
Hi, Shiney and George. It's Dan and I. We just wanted to say congratulations. We're so happy for the both of you and make babies. Woo!
Yes. Congratulations to Shiney and George. Yeah. Yeah, I love you both.
Congratulations, Shiney. We love you. Love you, Shiney and George. Together forever.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, George, Shiney.
Yeah. ZPX. Yellow Ma. Let's get it. Da da da, Jack Uka Pusha Get, Chisolia, Jolute, Luku de, Luku de, Cochato Tito, it's a kilo, and she mono.
I love you so much. We wish you nothing but happiness. Just want to let you guys know we love you guys. Congratulations. We are very happy for you guys. We wish for the best and everlasting love.
Congratulations, and I love you guys.
Congratulations to the newlyweds. Just wishing you guys all the best.
Nó cũng ra sáng nhìn nhà tay nữa cô nè mùi ở chỉ là cô nó luôn nè cô tới sáng còn là mùi nó giống còn một số bát chế xe và cho nên ôn chạy ô bỏ ở họ còn nè ở này chỉ mùi nè mùi luôn năng cởi rong nè mùi nó xí lúa hậu xí chè mùi cứ nghe là cả cứ to cứ có không ô lông là cả lông qua ở chỉ là cả to nghe xe là cả là ôn ha nó luôn năng trong một số chỉ là một cái sau đó nhớ xí về mà đó chỉ là xí hai xí kia chỉ là tay cả lên nó số mà bà bài nữa.
Shiney and George, we just want to say we love you and we're very happy that you guys found each other and you guys are going to spend the rest of your life together.
George and Shiney, you know we love both of you guys and our door is always open no matter what happens. We love you.
Okay, we love you guys.